Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the refrigerator door shelf end cap. Really easy job, no tools required. Let me show you how it's done. To replace the refrigerator door end cap, you either pull upwards on it or press downwards on it and then roll it outwards. There's a locking tab on each end of it, so it doesn't really matter whether you take the bottom out first or the top. Slide the new one onto our rail. Locate the bottom tab in, just to press that center tab enough to get it started. And with a slight downward pressure, give it a little bump. And it's installed. It's just how easy it is to change the end cap. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your repair.